But now I couldn't help but watch you because right at our unity dance, I already saw potential in you. So thank you, give a big round of applause for our contingent. For this year's Sayaw ng Kabataan, I think this is one of the best batch of dancers. Last year, we didn't have a competition. It was just an exhibition, a showcase of talent. But the Department of Education Central Office has restored this Sayaw ng Kabataan as a competition in Cebu City this July. So competition na. Kung ginawa natin ang maganda at maigi ng nakaraang taon na hindi siya patimpalat, there is no reason why you cannot do that better now that this is competition. May mga comments ako. Number one, I was also a dancer myself when I was young. But do not request me to dance it now. No? Sasayo ako ngayon. But when I was young, I was also a dancer. I was more of a dancer in elementary and high school. But I shifted to focus on singing when I was in college. But of course, even well, nakarating na ako sa ibang bansa to watch competitions like this. So I think I also am credible to give my comments. No? Number one, the storyline of some contingents are very evident. But others, it took me hard to understand what's the story about. So, alam nyo, when you do it the next time, the story where the dances evolve should really be clearly communicated. Kailangan klaro talaga kung ano ba talagang kwento ng mga sayaw nyo. May mga sigaw-sigaw, may mga nag-akyat-ligaw, mayroong nakakatakot yung isa, no? Rape ba yun? So, parang mga fans ng mga rapes. Again, you all have stories communicated. The only challenge as judges is to understand better what you were trying to convey with us. But marami po sa inyo ang klaro-klaro kasi ang sayo ay pagkukwento din yan. It's also storytelling. So majority of you did a good job in terms of telling the story. Regulators, procedure, Number two, costumes. Alam nyo, nakakamanghang tingnan that at the start and in a wink of an eye, you are able to change costume. Hindi ko talaga maisip paano nyo ginawa yun, no? Kasi biglang sumulat lang ako, pagkanyan ko na, iba na ang kasuotan ninyo. The transition of changing your outfits is also very essential. And if you are able to do that perfect, that is very attractive to watch. Kasi madami sa inyo na nagpapalit-palit ng kasuotan. Well, that's a skill. I remember I watched America's Got Talent, and our two duo dancers from Cebu City had a dance sports na kumbaga common naman yun. Yung pag-dance sports presentation nila, nakikita naman yun. But what made it more amazing is the change of outfit and in a week, no? Parang isang kidnap lang, this again. So there is a good strength, there is a big strength to all of you in terms of changing your outfits. Palakpakan natin yan. Facial expression is very important. Gaano man ka-graceful ang pagsayaw, pero pag walang nangyari sa mukha, walang epekto yan sa judges. Even if you dance only very mellow, but the facial expression captures the attention, and that is a plus factor. Very important talaga facial expression. Ay nakikita mo sa mga mukha ninyo, halos sirakin na ninyo ang mga mukha ninyo para maipakita lang na may emosyon. The emotions are shown in dances, but more in facial expressions. Okay? So nakita ko naman mga mukha ninyo, grabe talagang emosyon. Siguro no, kung pwede natin panalunin silang ng 14 ngayon, kaya natin gawin yun. Pwede. Kaya lang, isa lang talaga eh. We cannot send the 14 to Cebu and compete with the other regions. Okay. Number